Class 7, welcome to you in English class. Today we should do the exercise from chain clause. Hey, chain clause को exercise गर्दैछौँ आज. All of you, you should look the page number 31. Answer the following question. र सबैजनाले page number 31 को question answer हेर्ने. You should do the copy. है राम्ररी यसलाई कपी पनि गर्ने. I will tell the answer now. है म क्वेसन आन्सरहरू म भनिदिन्छु हजुरहरूले. ओके, यसलाई फर्स्ट अफ अल यु सुड कपी द क्वेसन. पहिले क्वेसनहरू कपी गर्नुहोस् है, अनि रेडी हुनुहोस् आन्सर लेख्नको लागि. पेज नम्बर विच वान? पेज नम्बर 31. आन्सर द फलोइङ क्वेसन. ओके, who does chain clause live with? Chain clause lives with her mama. M right capital. Chain clause lives with her mama. Okay, number B. B minus. What did mama forgot to buy? Mama forgot to buy shoes. F-O-R-G-O-T. Okay, mama forgot to buy shoes. F-O-R-G-O-T. Forget को forgot गर्नु होला. Mama forgot to buy shoes. S-H-O-E-S, shoes. Okay, number C. What party were Chain Clause and her mama going to attend? Chain Clause and her mama were going to attend her little cousin's baptism party. Listen it again. Chain Clause and her mama were going to attend her little cousin baptism, B-A-P-T-I-S-M, baptism party. Okay, number D. Who comes to pick them up for the party? Uncle Nacho came to pick them up for the party. Listen it again. Uncle Nacho, N-A-C-H-O, N right capital, U also capital, came to pick them up for the party. Number E. What happened to Mama at the party? Why? At the party, Mama falls sick. Fall, F-A-L-L-S-S-I-C-K-S. You should write inside the comma, inverted comma. I fall sick, full stop. Chain Clause think it is. It's because of too many, okay, template. But Uncle Nacho says that it is because she drank too much. Okay, listen it again. That's honest. What happened to Mama at the party? Why? The answer is at the party, Mama falls, F-A-L-L, falls sick. Full stop. Chain Clause thinks it's because of too many tamales, T-A-M-A-L-E-S. But Uncle Nacho says that it is because she drank too much. Listen it again. At the party, Mama falls sick. Chain Clause thinks it's because of too many tamales, but Uncle Nacho said that it is because she drank too much. Okay, number F. Why is Chain Clause not enjoying the party? Chain Clause is not enjoying the party because she is self-conscious of her old saddle shoes. Listen it again. Chain Clause is not enjoying the party because she is self-conscious of her old saddle shoes. Okay, number now G. How does Uncle Nacho pursued her to dance? Uncle Nacho pursues, P-R-S-U-D-E-S, her to dance by pulling her arm and saying, "You are the prettiest girl here. Will you dance?" Question, comma, inverted comma, close. Listen it again. Uncle Nacho pursues her to dance by pulling her arm and saying, comma, inverted comma, open, "You are the prettiest girl here, comma, will you dance?" Question mark, comma, inverted comma, close. Listen it again. Uncle Nacho pursued her to dance by pulling her arm and saying, comma, inverted comma, open. You are the prettiest girl here, comma. Will you dance? Question mark, comma, inverted comma, close. Yes, number 8. How do people react to their dance? People watch their dance, comma, clap and say, oh, oh, exclamation mark, comma, inverted comma, close. Okay, listen it again. People watch their dance, comma, clap and say, oh. Okay, number last. How does Santa Claus feel at last? Santa Claus feels happy at last. Santa Claus feels happy at last. Okay, now please turn the page number 32. Listening is not now. We can do the listening. Page number 32. Speaking. Yeah, Piarok is speaking. Page number 32. All of you look there. Piarok. Piarok with a friend read the conversations and act it out. Okay, A and B. They are the conversation. Okay, A. Are you going to the party on Saturday? B. I was thinking about it. Are you? Okay, A. Yeah. I heard it. Going to be a lot of fun. B. Really? Well, what time does it start? A. It starts at 8 o'clock p.m. and I really think you should go. Well, who else is going to be there? Everybody from school. B. How do you know it's going to be so much fun? This party is going to have a DJ, food and a drink. Okay. B. Oh, what does sound like it going to be fun? So, am I going to see you at the party? B. Yeah, I will be there. Okay, this is the conversation about the party. Okay, all the students from school, they join in the party. Okay, you can do the conversation like this. This is example. Now grammar. Simple present and present continuous tense. Okay, all of you look the book. Yeah, page number 32. Simple present and present continuous. Simple present and present continuous tense. Okay. I shop and I am shopping. It means simple present tense. The structures of simple present tense is subject plus verb 1 plus verb 5 plus object. But present continuous tense structure is subject plus EJMR plus verb plus object. Okay. First of all, we should read here and I will tell all things. We use the simple present tense when we want to talk about fixed habit, routines, things that don't change. Okay, simple present tense को गर्दाखेरि fixed routine है routine को बारेमा अनि जुन routine अनुसार दिएको कुराहरू universal truth. Okay, then fixed habit we can use it simple present tense. Okay, simple present के हुन्छ भने talk about fixed habit है आफ्नो fixed habit को बारेमा routine things that don't change. It means universal truth. The sun rises in the east. These types of sentence can be used in simple present tense. Okay, the simple present tense structure is subject verb 1 verb 5 plus object. Okay, the cow eats grass. These types of sentence can be used in simple present tense. है यसमा याद गर्नुस् कि सिम्पल प्रेजेन्ट टेन्स भनेको फिक्स रुटिन अनुसार युनिभर्सल ट्रुथ. ओके, अनि फिक्स ह्याबिट यी कुराहरू सिम्पल प्रेजेन्टमा हुन्छ. सिम्पल प्रेजेन्ट टेन्सको स्ट्रक्चर सब्जेक्ट प्लस verb 1 verb 5 प्लस सब्जेक्ट. ओके, नेगेटिभ सब्जेक्ट प्लस डु डज प्लस नट प्लस verb 1 प्लस सब्जेक्ट. इन्टिग्रेटिभ ओके, डु डज प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस verb 1 plus object plus question. This is the structure. We use the present continuous to talk about action which are happening the present moment but will soon finish. Yes, अलि present moment मा अलि के भइरहेको छ है तत्कालै present moment को कुरा गर्दाखेरि present continuous को प्रयोग गरिन्छ. but will soon finish तर त्यो तत्कालै सिद्धिन्छ तत्काल ओके अहिले जे भएको छ त्यसको बारेमा हामीले डिस्कसन गर्दाखेरि प्रेजेन्ट कन्टिन्युस टेन्स प्रयोग गरिन्छ ओके द प्रेजेन्ट कन्टिन्युस टेन्स स्ट्रक्चर इज सब्जेक्ट प्लस इजएमआर प्लस बफो प्लस सब्जेक्ट इन नेगेटिभ सब्जेक्ट प्लस इजएमआर प्लस नट प्लस बफो प्लस सब्जेक्ट क्वेसन इट मिन इन्ट्रोगेटिभ इजएमआर प्लस सब्जेक्ट plus buffer plus subject plus question mark okay that is the positive negative interrogative these are the structure okay compare these two sentences here I play tennis I am playing tennis yes according to our routines the first sentence is in the routine answer I play tennis I am playing tennis this sentence indicate the okay indicate the present moment है अहिले भएको आई एम प्लेइङ टेनिस म टेनिस खेलिरहेको छु आई प्ले टेनिस दिस इज सिम्पल प्रेजेन्ट टेन्स आई एम प्लेइङ टेनिस दिस इज प्रेजेन्ट कन्टिन्युस टेन्स ओके सब्जेक्ट आई प्ले verb 1 टेनिस सब्जेक्ट इन सेकेन्ड सेन्टेन्स आई सब्जेक्ट एम एक्जिलरी verb प्लेइङ मेन verb 2 टेनिस सब्जेक्ट ओके या आई प्ले टेनिस टेल अस पेज नम्बर 33 प्लिज लुक आई प्ले टेनिस टेल अस that playing tennis is something the speaker always does. It is part of a routine or habit. First only part of routine or habit answer cha. We can call this a permanent situation. यसलाई हामीले permanent situation पनि भनिन्छ. But number B, I am playing tennis tell us that the speaker is playing tennis right now. Soon the game will be over. अहिले खेलिरहेको छ र पछि गरी के हुन्छ यो गेम ओभर हुन्छ we call this a temporary situation यसलाई टेम्परेरी सिचुएसन भनिन्छ सिम्पल प्रेजेन्टको पर्मानेन्ट सिचुएसन ओके प्रेजेन्ट कन्टिन्युस टेम्परेरी सिचुएसन रिमेम्बर इट with the simple present we say I play tennis we play tennis he she it plays tennis you play tennis they play tennis I have already told you simple present tense structure is in positive it means in affirmative sentence subject verb 1 verb 5 plus subject with singular subject we can use verb 5 it means yes at the end of the verb okay look in the example here he she it plays tennis this is the verb 5 singular subject सँग verb 5 प्रयोग गर्ने plural subject सँग verb 1 प्रयोग गर्ने they play tennis because they is plural subject therefore we can use verb 1 play okay with the present continuous we say I am playing tennis we are playing tennis you are playing tennis he she it is playing tennis this is the present continuous tense the structure is mr subject plus mr plus verb plus subject is used with singular subject are is used with plural subject but am is with I subject I सँग m परेको हुन्छ plural subject सँग r परेको हुन्छ अनि he she it सँग is परेको हुन्छ okay you can look the example here he she it is playing tennis okay put the verb in the brackets in the simple present or present continuous tense to make sensible sentences okay look there simple present tense is used with talk about fixed habit routine things that don't change but present continuous tense is used which are happening the present moment but will soon finish okay this is the point okay number A मा हेर्नुस् सबैले पेज नम्बर 33 number A sorry number I A Anju sometimes ... comics to read here above Anju sometimes reads comic okay reads 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 comics this is simple present tense okay number B we never ... TV in the morning watch this is simple present tense verb 1 watch WTCH you write only watch number C listen Sandeep ... in the bathroom okay is singing listen Sandeep is singing in the bathroom okay number D my sister usually ... in the kitchen helps 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 verb 5 you can do simple present tense in verb 5 form yes helps 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 in the kitchen okay number E my mother is My sorry. Yes, my mother is making breakfast now. Is making present continuous tense. Okay, my mother singular, therefore we can use is. Okay, making verb for. My mother is making breakfast now. Number F. They often clean the bathroom. Clean verb 1. Simple present tense. Look, the boys are coming home. Look, the boys are coming home. Present continuous tense. Yes, every day his grandfather goes for a walk. Okay, simple present tense goes for 5. Number I. I am chatting. Chatting. Chatting with my friend at the moment. Okay, chatting. 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 I am chatting. Okay, pigeon continues. J. Cats eat mice. Okay, this is also simple pigeon tense. I pigeon continuous tense. Hey, I को pigeon continuous, J को simple pigeon tense. Okay, turn the page number 34, please. 34. Look at the pictures on the right and complete the sentence. Says simple pigeon or pigeon continues. Hey, picture. Look the picture. All listen, please. You should look the picture and complete this sentence using simple pigeon tense and pigeon or pigeon continuous tense. These are Luna and Janak. B भनेको छ, B भयो भनेको इजेमार पिजनमा हुन्छ, इन पास वाज वेयर है. These are Luna and Janak. B. Luna is Janak's sister. Yes. See, at the moment the two kids are sitting at the table. The two kids are sitting at the table. Number D. Okay. Janak is holding a book right now. Janak is holding a book right now. He is reading a story to Luna. He is reading a story to Luna. Number E. Look, Luna is listening carefully and she is looking at the beautiful picture. Listen it again. Look, Luna is listening carefully and she is looking at the picture. Looking at the beautiful picture. Again, number F. Luna loves Janak's stories. Luna loves Janak's stories. Okay, number G. He reads a story to her every day. He reads a story to her every day. Number H. Janak sometimes even writes his own stories. Janak sometimes even writes his own stories. Okay, this exercise also finished. Number 3. Complete the sentence below using either the simple present or present continuous forms of the verbs in brackets. Okay, हामीले यो simple present or present continuous tense राखेर यो सेन्टेन्स कम्प्लिट गर्ने. I play cricket every weekend. I play. B. The children are playing outside the moment. Okay, are playing. C. Her car is working today. Okay, number D. You can't borrow my lawn more. Okay, lawn more because it doesn't work. WRK, because it doesn't work. Number E. Smell good. What are you making? Making. Papo. A. My husband never makes me breakfast. Makes me breakfast. Okay, number G. Pawan is living in Hong Kong. Pawan is living in Hong Kong. Number H. Do you still live with your parents? Okay, do you still live with your parents? Question mark. Okay, this is the answer. Today the exercise also finish. Then later, okay, I will teach you the next lesson. Thank you. Listen the video more than 4 or 5 times and you should do the all the exercise. है यदि केही कन्फ्युज छ भने हजुरहरूले मलाई यु सुड रेड द क्वेसन. तर सबभन्दा पहिले आफूले दोहोऱ्याइ यो भिडियो सुन्नुहोला र पढ्नुहोला. थ्याङ्क यू क्लास 7. गुड बाई. सी यू.